Oh, that's the ignition. Right, oh, I see, yeah, it's just a light baffle that takes the light from the bulb holder through to the ignition light. So that's that out.
That's the washer pump.
Yeah. That's a little lock nut on the front on this one, isn't it? Comes off through the
Yeah, it's
back.
dropped. There you are.
Okay, lovely. That's good. So that we don't actually need to disconnect that and so on out of the way. Just so that that's the capillary tube on the back.
Okay,
So
I've
that's
got that there.
where we'll have to withdraw that from the gauge.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, withdraw that on the gauge, but we obviously can't until we. Right. Let's hope it doesn't.
Okay, I've got it here.
Pour out under high pressure.
Okay, so when you're ready, start pulling. Okay. Yep, slowly, slowly. Okay. Okay, so we finally got the dashboard out of Dotty. Did take a little bit longer than we hoped, but we finally done it. So what I'm going to do now is where some of the paintwork was already damaged, I'm going to sand that back just so that I don't have a hard edge. I'm then going to run over the rest of the dashboard just with a sanding pad and being careful just to get around here to make sure where any of the paint's broken, get rid of that so it's a nice flat keyed in surface. Then going to etch prime it on the bare metal, and then we'll be ready to wipe it down and have a go with this Crackle finish paint. So let's have a go. Okay, so I've given it a run over with the orbital sander, just around, especially around here where the original paint damage was. And now I'm just going to flatten down with a sanding pad and get into some more of the fiddly places down here. Tea time. Okay, so I've had another go flattening it down and I've gone much further this time. Originally I didn't want to take it back to bare metal quite as far as I did. I thought I could just get away with flattening down the edges where the paint was damaged, but it showed up on the respray. So I've had a good go at it and I'm going to give it another try with the primer and see what troubles it throws up this time. So let's get going. Take two, another coat. Okay, so I've finished off priming the dashboard. In the end, I decided to go over it completely, just so that I could see if I'd missed any bits and give it its best chance for success. I left it harden off here in the sun. Now I've got hold of a can of wrinkle plus paint or heat resistant paint. This gives that sort of wrinkled texture finish that all MGs had in the 70s. Some of the blogs from people who have had a go before me, it seems that you do it in 3 steps. That you spray first of all in a series of vertical coverings. Then you wait, let that harden off, and then you come in on the horizontal, and then to finish on the diagonal. So it sounds easy in practice. We're going to have a go. So, there we are. I'm not quite sure if you can see me on screen or not. Probably it's a good idea if you can't. It's been a long day. I've done 3 coats so far. I'm going to let that dry and see what it looks like after we finish for the day. But right now, Jim and me are going to go and have a tidy up and go for a curry and a well-deserved beer.